the GVM model 850D, and she is a breadwinner. I have it shining on me right now. No softbox, nothing. I just want to give a little bit of a look into what it looks like and how it performs. But these lights are really professional because they take the Sony MPF batteries, so MPF 750, 970s, all those different models that work for camcorders and lights and sound and all manner of different devices that take these batteries. These also take. So you can do them off of battery power with the MPF 750s, or you can power them off line power. Really good. There's one good point. All right. Point number 2, they come with softbox shades that go around it. They come with a regular gel diffuser and a honeycomb cover. They also come with barn doors, as you can see here. These guys will open up and you can direct the light whichever way you want with your little barn doors. It has a channel setting where you can download the app and use it with the app if it works. Got nothing but bad reviews about the app. I just tried to get this one set up with the app before I started recording. I couldn't figure it out. I'm like, screw it, I'm not wasting time. It works fine the way it is. You pretty much set it and forget it anyway. The app's really useful if you have multiple lights going together, in which case you're going to want to have, different channels and different lights so that you can control them remotely. That would be great. However, it's not necessarily something you have to have, and at the $300 price range for 2 lights, I wasn't really expecting anything award-winning from that anyway. They are full RGB and CCT color spectrum, so the white color spectrum 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. So they're not as bright as the great LPT tubes that I have that are up to 85K, but who really needs that anyway, unless you're going for just that super stupid bright daylight photo shoot, but maybe you are. All right, so it has different modes. You have RGB, CCT mode light, 32K to 5600K, all through the RGB color spectrum. You have different colors, sorry about that. It runs on battery power or line side power with the included. Each light gets its own tripod and softbox and power supply, which, kind of course it should, right? These are semi-pro lights for sure. They're definitely worth the $300. The light output on them are, just outstanding. They're at 91 CRI rating, I believe. I'm not too big, believe it or not, I'm an electrician, but not too keen yet on different color temperatures of light and CRI output, but they are very powerful lights, and they don't strobe, which some cheap lights, well, it's not really the lights, but the power supplies that feed them, I'm not sure exactly the science of this, but if you've ever looked on your camera, some lights strobe because the camera shutter speed is actually filming faster than the frequency of the power running through the light itself. So you get a strobe effect and lines casting in your footage. I've actually made entire videos and didn't realize that was in there with my cheap Home Depot lights that I have up here, and completely ruined the footage and ended up not even making the video. So I'm gonna have to remake that video one day, but for now, no. So the GVM Great Video Maker lights, who's it for? Well, it's for any baseline entry level YouTuber or content creator such as myself who is at home or in a studio, small space. You need some nice key lights on you or some supplemental lights. It also has lighting effects, so you can do faulty bulbs and stuff like that, different looks. They're really good for that. So I would say for the beginning content creator or photographer that's trying to do it professionally, you're going to need some good lights, and this will give it to you. I believe it's supposed to be able to sync up with your flash. Whether or not it's actually going to do that function, figure it out on that later. So this light is good for the beginner content creator, somebody who needs a really bright light that is semi-professional yet still on a budget. At $300, I think these are a smoking hot deal, and you should go grab yours at Amazon. I'll include the link down below for you guys. I am not currently an Amazon affiliate anymore. They have not accepted my application, so it's just a friendly link for the folks down there who've seen this light and want to have results similar to mine. Hopefully this part of the video was well lit and it looks good and sold you on it. If not, then I really don't care, and thanks for watching. Appreciate it. But yeah, the raw truth is $300. It's a great light. Go get you one. Devin from Amplitech said so. Until next time, guys, keep it classy. Keep filming. Keep YouTubing. Keep uploading. Always remember to press record. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. Hit this box up here to sub. Hit this box down here to watch another video. Another one of my videos. Their goal, give you all the knowledge you want. Hit it. Hit the freaking like button.